As global energy demand accelerates, the challenge isn't just generating more power, it's delivering energy fast enough, safely. From powering world-class data centers to decarbonizing heavy industry, rapid electrification is shrinking the timeline for reliable carbon-free energy. Together, Microsoft and NVIDIA are redefining what's possible, uniting AI, cloud, and simulation capabilities to modernize how nuclear power is designed, built, and operated. Working with our partners at the forefront of nuclear AI, we're building the foundation for commercially scalable next-generation nuclear power, turning complexity into repeatable industry programs and delivery.
Microsoft and NVIDIA Cloud and their AI capabilities have enabled Allo to accelerate our mission of mass manufacturing nuclear power plants. We will power anything from a small data center to a large city, and one day help bring the world out of energy poverty with mass manufactured, cheap, and predictable nuclear energy.
Microsoft and NVIDIA make it possible to replicate reference architectures, maintain regulatory compliance with confidence, and reduce organizational risk, while making operations safer and more efficient. From research and design to permitting, construction, and management, our technologies help organizations scale faster, reduce costs, and improve decision confidence. With NVIDIA AI solutions on Microsoft Azure, teams can rapidly iterate and optimize designs, while NVIDIA Omniverse digital twins enable high-fidelity fission and fusion simulations before a single component is built. With digital twins, designs are tested, risks are reduced, and performance is validated digitally, strengthening safety, accelerating regulatory compliance, and enabling collaboration. And with Microsoft Generative AI for permitting, teams benefit from advanced document creation and custom AI agents that streamline drafting, analysis, and pre-submission reviews of permits and licenses, cutting approval times from years to weeks or even days. Together, we're accelerating a carbon-free future that's smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Join Microsoft and NVIDIA in powering this new era of clean nuclear energy.